If you lay the guitar flat on your lap, just as it is, just let the guitar slide flat down, and you look down at your guitar, that is exactly like looking at this tablature up top. So the guitar looks like this. You can see these strings here are thicker strings, these top strings up here, right? And these are the thinner strings. So if you look at these lines up here on the tablature, this is going to be the thicker string, right? That's the big thick E string down here. And this is going to be the thin one. So whenever you see a straight line up and down the tablature like this, that is a chord. If you see it written like this, that's not a chord. That's picking the notes one at a time, okay, when they're spaced out. This would be playing each note one at a time. So you would play, write down these notes. You would play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This way, you would have all the fingers on and strum down it. That's the difference.